Situated along the Swan River, Matilda Bay is a beautiful place to spot wildlife. Common around here are the black swans and corellas that can be seen coming down for food and drink. A more elusive species, however, is quickly coming under threat. Our fishing lines and plastics are littering their habitat and devastating their population. The species in question is this bird, the pied oystercatcher. These two birds are a pair and occupy this territory. These beautiful birds have a special place in my heart and are one of my absolute favourite birds to see around here. That beautiful long bill helps these birds find their food in the sand and water. And along Matilda Bay, these birds will even come up from the sand to feed on worms in the grass. Amazing. As weeks went by, I started seeing my two birds less and less. I started to wonder where these birds were and if they were ever going to come back. Later, I was told that two oystercatchers near Matilda Bay had been found dead together, tangled in fishing line. The pair that were found could very well have been the two birds I've been watching over these past few weeks. It's devastating when things like this happen, but it's an important reminder to pick up our plastics to help save birds like the pied oystercatcher along with many other species. And if we start to do this, we'll be able to keep Matilda Bay a clean area that is thriving with amazing wildlife.